What? Oh, you gots to be kidding me. Not this one too. The RPM just like shoots up like 500 RPM and then drops down like lower than what it's supposed to be, and you just feel the engine just keep surging and surging. Well, now with the Infiniti, it's official. All my cars are broken. I mean, look at this. Look at this. This beautiful, beautiful G35. What's wrong with it? Well, AC just went out. I haven't gotten a chance to drive much because finals have been killing me. Any of you that go to school, go to college, you'll know what I'm talking about. Finals are just awful. But yeah, there's a few things that need to be taken care of here. First of all, I need new brakes. Because the obnoxious squealing sound whenever I hit the brakes is just not doing it for me anymore. It's no good. And then the Del Sol, the AC is done for. Oh my gosh, it's not even, it's like a joke. You hit the button on the Del Sol AC and the RPM just like shoots up like 500 RPM and then drops down like lower than what it's supposed to be, and you just feel the engine just keep surging and surging. And I've never seen anything actually like it with the AC before, so I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with that. That'll be the third AC compressor that I put in that Del Sol. And third AC compressor that I put in that Del Sol, which is kind of ridiculous. I mean, they need to do something with that cooling system. So we're gonna look at that as soon as I get through finals. But right now, we're going into the summer, and this is just like, of course, if like something's gonna break, it's gonna break now. Of all the times that the AC on the car can go out, of course it would be right now. And now with both cars no AC working, and then, you know, my Malibu is also dead, because, I mean, you guys have seen the Malibu. It's in pieces. There's, like, nothing. It's, yeah. I mean, it's getting better. Putting it back together, slowly but surely, but it was in one heck of a car accident, so. So we're going to look at the AC on the Infiniti first, because I need that one up and running, like, ASAP. And, brakes on the Infiniti, because the squealing is driving me freaking crazy. I'm gonna go mad if I have to listen to those Infiniti brakes squeal anymore. I've actually been driving the Del Sol now because I've refused to get back into the Infiniti and listen to that squeal. It always bugs me when it happens to other people's cars, and I'm like, dude, why don't you just freaking change your brakes? It's not that big of a deal, but change out your pads. And now that it's my car, and now that I'm in the middle of finals week, it's more like finals 3 weeks, honestly. ASU finals week isn't finals week, it's like 3 weeks of finals just all rolled into one giant group of terror. So the AC on that is just kaput and nothing, just blowing hot air. And that means all 3 of my cars are dead. Every single one of them. But hey, more things broken is more opportunity to fix it. So, I mean, you can always look at the bright side for everything. And I looked on Rock Auto, and I'm ordering the new brakes for it. Rock Auto is amazing. If you guys don't go on Rock Auto to order your parts, you guys should check it out. Anything that I can get anywhere else, I can usually find cheaper on Rock Auto. And you have to know what you're looking for. It's more for actual mechanics than just do-it-yourselfers. You have to know what parts you're actually wanting, but if you know what parts you're going for, it's perfect. So we'll get the car over there as soon as finals are over. And we will get the brakes fixed on the G35. And then we can, we'll do the AC on the G35, that's more important. But we're probably not going to do the AC on the Del Sol because, let's face it, race car. It doesn't really need AC. We're probably going to be turboing it anyway, and then we're going to take off the AC compressor in order to fit the exhaust manifold with the turbo on there, because I don't think it's compatible. The system I'm looking at, I don't think it's compatible with the AC. But honestly, after I've dumped so much money into the AC on the Del Sol, I'm kind of ready to just say goodbye to it, because it's obviously not doing me very good to just keep spending money on it. So there's that. But yeah, it's a hard life sometimes. And then the Del Sol, what I really want to be doing is putting new suspension on the Del Sol, because it needs it, and that's actually something that would be beneficial for making it into the time attack car that I want it to be. So we'll get to there eventually, I guess. In the meantime, we just gotta hang tight. We're gonna get it over to the shop. We're gonna fix things that we do have to fix on it, and just keep chugging along. So my advice when you're going through finals week, or you're going through anything with work that is just super stressful and just is killing you, is just keep your head up, keep looking at the optimistic things in your life, and just push on through. You know when it'll be over, you know that deadline's ahead of you, and you know after that it'll just be smooth sailing. Alright, well that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to the vlog, to follow the car builds, and to just go along to car meets and races and all kinds of cool car stuff. Wherever I go, I'll bring my video camera, I'll take you guys with me. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time on Import Life. What can I even say? All my cars are dead. Push me to the edge. All my cars are dead.